Moo-moos! Moo-moos! Everybody's excited. Everybody's excited. So, what are we gonna fix this afternoon?
Your boo-boo?
My boo-boo? No, it's not my boo-boo. We found the flaw. So, just like I figured, they honored the warranty on it. And I got the new and approved design that is a lot stronger built than that right there. So what it looks like I've got to do is this valve block. Looks like there's 2 bolts that hold that on. Undo that and pull the pin right there for the hydraulic angle cylinder, and that should just kind of hang there. I'm gonna go get the mini excavator and hold up on this to give us a little bit more room, and should be able to set all this to the side and then flip the new bracket over mounting plate. And well, we got to get this pin out too to get the broken piece out and put all that together. So it should be relatively easy, but we all know a 20-minute project turns into 2 hours just like that. So we got some spectators. Well,
I don't see no well.
You know, they can't see much because I had it angled at the bracket.
You see the problem here.
The problem is it's very difficult. I don't even know if they can see this. I'm gonna turn the camera sideways. What problem are you having up there?
The carriage bolt decided to not be a carriage bolt no more.
It's a round bolt now, and it's, oh, that looks dandy.
Oh, it's rounded off in there.
Is the new one? We don't have, the new one doesn't have a new one.
No.
That's fine.
It's okay.
You just leave that right there and it'll all be fine.
Everything's okay. That's not coming out.
You need a hammer now?
Mateo.
I'll go get you a hammer. Hold on. And there we have it. The new and improved hitch mount is added to it there. So hopefully that should be good to go there now. Literally it was just 2 bolts that held that valve block in, pulled the pin for that. We took those 2 hoses off to get the valve block out of the way. And then these plates and brackets, the hardest bolt to line back up was the one for that block right there, but all is done now. Next time I use it, there are 2 grease fittings in here that go to the inside of that pin, and get that greased up real nice and should be good to go. We just need some dry weather where it's a little drier to work with. So skid steer is home now, and Ruckus rake is now put back together with the new replacement piece. I gotta go up there. I got a tire that's a little bit low. I'm gonna hook this up, and I'm going to go over there to my pond and try to finish raking over the ground there, getting that cleaned up. And I got a bag of grass seed. We got some rain coming this weekend. I'm going to try to get all that raked and cleaned up and the grass seed put out before it rains, and hopefully the pond will start getting some water in it, and the grass seed will start germinating next week. I think I might be able to get another cutting out of the hayfield here. It's on up about 24 to 30 inches high now, not near as thick as it was, but it grew back, so might as well get what I can out of it, right? Don't need big rocks out here though. I mean, it's just gonna die off. Might as well see if I can get another cutting out of it. We'll see what my hay guy thinks. All right, so rake is over here now. Got the tire aired up on it. I'm gonna finish where I left off, and well, heck, look at the pond dam. It's already got some green stuff growing on it. Let's go down here and see. I haven't been down here in a week or so. Let's see what's starting to grow on in the topsoil here. You can actually see the green tint to it. That was some good topsoil. It's got a lot of seed and stuff in it. Looked like a lot of weeds, but I don't know. That's grass right there though, I think. It's starting to come up. Froggy. So yeah, that's how much runoff I've put in there from the front pond up there that I drained down a little bit to kind of cover it. If we get 1.5 inches, 2 inches of rain this weekend, that'll really probably at least cover the whole bottom, I would think. But needless to say, rake is fixed. I'm gonna run over this, fluff this up, put seed out tomorrow, and go down that side over there and get all that cleaned up. If I got time, maybe run over this right here. But now that it's finally dried out some, should dress up pretty nice. So far so good. So I got the pond cleaned up around. Came down here and worked on this top edge too. I got to put the bucket on. I got to do some more grading right here. But let's walk down here and check it out. I'll come down here tomorrow evening and put the grass seed out. Still got to, like I said, grade over this with the bucket. It's a little too much to rake. But I did get this edge right here cleaned up. So I at least want to get grass around here. And then that far side over there, I got all that raked from the edge to the fence. So I should have enough grass seed to do all that. This cleaned up pretty nice. Once it's full, I'll come in here with a mini and kind of touch up anything that needs to be smoothed up a little bit more. Can't really get on that slope with the skid steer, but it leveled it up nice where you can walk around here without tripping over rocks and roots. A lot of froggies. This is all nice and smooth and loosened up. And I came up through here and just tried to rake some of this to clean it up as well. I got to put the bucket on and clean all that up, but pretty much the edge of the field right here that I cleared all the trees back, I got that all slicked up nice and pretty, and I think it looks right dandy. All right, well, next video, put a little grass seed out, and I'll do a little update after it rains to see how far the pond comes up. Well, it's time for a pond update. It has rained exactly 1 inch in the past 48 hours, which is a lot of rain, but over 48 hours, it's not a lot of rain. So, unfortunately, it was mostly just a drizzle and just kind of a light shower. So I would say 95% of it soaked into the ground, which is great because it wouldn't erode all my slopes and everything, causing all my grass seed to be washed away. But unfortunately, it doesn't look like the pond has come up but about 1 inch, literally from the runoff that has fallen into it. But that's fine. That's fine. We will definitely get more thunderstorms and storms throughout the year, big rain events, but at least maybe this will be enough to get my grass seed started and everything kind of green up around here. I don't care if it just gets overgrown like that for right now, just to kind of hold everything, and then I can come in here and keep it mowed down and maintained. But yep, just wanted to do a pond update, and unfortunately it doesn't look like much has changed.